If you're a beginner face painter, you do not want to miss this video. Hi guys, I'm Jenny with sillyfarm.com, and today I'm going to show you a really cool way to make a tiara for any age. Now, this is nothing new. This has been done over and over again, but this is something that you need to know. You need to have this in your back pocket for those times where you need to get kids in and out of your chair as quickly as possible. It's going to be a simple tiara. All right, so I don't have a model here, so my model is my arm, and we're going to make believe that my arm is the forehead. We're gonna do a simple tiara, just a little crown. It's gonna be a heart with some teardrops and glitter, and voila. You could do this on any age. You can do it on little girls, you can do it on adults. It works all the time. As long as you add the glitter, as long as you have your smile and you have fun doing it, you cannot go wrong. All right, so we're gonna start off with the simple design, a heart. Now you can do pink, you can do red, you can do any color. I'm just gonna tell you what I'm gonna do first, and then we're just gonna fly through it. I'm gonna get some red. I like to mix my red with pink, and I'm gonna put it on a filbert brush. Now this one is a Paint Pal little drop brush from sillyfarm.com, and this is a great brush to have. I'm actually gonna do the whole design with this brush. So let's just get to it, alrighty? So blah, 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 pick it up. I'm gonna wet it just a little bit more because I had preloaded it. So, all right, here we go. So just a heart. And again, you're making believe that this is a forehead. So just do the heart, easy as pie. I'm gonna pick up some glitter. I like to put my glitter when my paint is still wet. It's just easier for me. It adheres better, and it just makes the paint pop. So that's what I'm gonna do for that. Wipe off my brush, and now I'm gonna go to my white paint, which I have right here. It's my Luxe White. Love this brand from Fab, of course. Pick up some white, and then I'm going to use the corner of my brush, the edge of my brush, to do just nice teardrops. I'm gonna go onto the other side and do the same thing. 3, 4, 5, and then I'm gonna go down here. This is gonna be where the bridge of the nose is. 3, 4, and I always count mine out. Just one of those things, and add a little bit of highlight there, and voila, you are done. So you could imagine this on the forehead, and it's really quick, really easy, and adorable. If you want to go ahead and line it with like an accent color, like a blue, a purple, a yellow, you can go ahead and do that. If you wanted to make the teardrops in different rainbow colors, you can do that too. But this is such a fun, easy design for your crown. And you could just add a couple more teardrops here to the side of the eye, put some glitter, and you are a-okay to go. So I hope you guys can use this design in your future events. And thank you for watching.